Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to fix iCloud account grayed out. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do when your iCloud account is grayed out is go ahead and open the settings app. On the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on screen time. Now scroll down the screen time page, click on content and privacy restrictions. Then enable content and privacy restrictions if this is disabled. After that, scroll down, then locate account and click on it. Set this to allow. If that is set to don't allow, and type in your screen time passcode. Then hit the back button and go back to the main settings page. Then you can just go ahead, close the settings app, go ahead and open it again. Then you should see the iCloud account now accessible. You see that? So that's exactly how to fix iCloud account grayed out on iPhone. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.